can't wait to be the change. It's not too late, free from hate. Think of the future that we could create. Face the facts today. There's a better way. Take one step back and say there's a better way. Like a tree, rooted in peace, in peace, in peace. One with all living things, one life heartbeat.